Hello, welcome to shinesexcel, and we have come up with another template after the long gap and with advanced formulas and advanced features. This template has only one feature, that is the seating plan, but it can create seating plan for different dimension of hall. Here we have given 4 columns, 8 columns, and there is one large hall with 30 rows. If you want any other design, we are sure we can design it on this. So now I'm going to show you how this works. As usual, we have the hall number and classes entry here. Here you can enter the exam hall numbers, and this template accommodates 45 halls. If you want to increase to 50, 100, 200, we can do that. You can contact us through the number or the mail. And the departments, we can enter up to 33 departments in this template. After entering these details, go back to home page. Next, we are going to design the hall individually. So this option is left to you. You can design your hall and you can choose where your students to sit. This is the hall designer page. Hall 1 is displayed, and here you can select the seat number and press yes, so that will be added to the seating arrangement. If I want the students to be seated in all the rows, just drag it, make it all yes. So 8 columns, it is updated here, and 10 rows. Your seating will be, the students will be seated in all these halls. For example, I am giving hall 2, I am going to seat them only in the 5 column and 5 rows. So this is senior. Let us see how this works. So these are the two things you have to do. After that, you need to enter the student's name, enter their department, whether the first department, second department, and their roll number and name. Everything is entered here. It accommodates about 3000 students, and if you want more than that, surely we can add it. It's very super easy. And I am going to start here. Enter the date, session, and what is the detail of the exam, what's the college name, and enter the time slots and press next. So this is the seating selection page. Here you are going to give the seating to your students. So we have three options, one with 4 column, another one is 8 column, another one is a large hall. So here I am going to show you for the first hall. So as we have given the first hall, it shows 50 seats. So in the first hall we gave 50 seats. The first hall, the capacity is 80 actually, 8 columns and 10 rows, so it is 80. Now I am going to enter the students. There are totally 60 students according to the name list, so I am going to allocate all the students here, allocate 40 students here, so half of that, 40 department 1 and 40 department 2. That's it. So all the places are filled. So this is not the seating page which you are going to print. So to print this, I go to the home page and go to the 8 column, and this is the thing which you are going to print. If I press Ctrl P, or if you are using MacBook, if I press Command P, I can see the print preview of this first page. Let me see the first page, how it is, how it looks. Yeah, it's super. It looks very nice. You can save it as print PDF, or you can print it directly. This is one hall. Go to the home page. And if I want to allocate the remaining 40 students in the next hall, I select the hall number 2, and hall number 2 is a small hall with 25 seat capacity, but here we have 40 students remaining. So I want to select some other larger halls. Let us check how much is the hall number 3. So it is also very small, hall number 3. So nothing is sufficient. I'm going back to home page. I'm going to hall designer. I'm going to design the hall 2 is not sufficient, so I'm going to make it increase the capacity It's 40. 8 into 5, 40. Yeah, fine. Now I'm going to seating selection page and selecting the hall 2. Hall 2 has 40 seats. Select the department 1, enter 20, or you can enter here 20 directly. Then select department 2, enter 20. Yes, all the halls are seated. Let's see how it works. So this is the hall with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how it be if we make it 4 columns hall? Go to hall design page, hall designer page, make it 4. Let's see how it works, and we'll fill the rows 9 and 10 with students. Yeah, 10 rows, 4. It is a 4 column hall. So this will be reflected in the 4 column hall, not in the 8 column. So you can take direct printout from the 4 column hall. 40 students are seated here, and in the 8 column hall here you have 80 students. You can take the printout of it. So this is the very super sheet. If you want any other dimension, we can create, and you can contact us at the given number in the description and the mail ID. Thank you.